Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. This is Kirti here and our topic for today is from class 9th, chapter 7, that is diversity in living organism. And our topic for today is classification of living beings. What is diversity? The earth is full of organisms of various shapes and sizes. There are varieties of plants, animals and microorganisms. And this variety of living beings is called diversity. What is biodiversity? The variety of animals and plants living in a particular geographical area is called its biodiversity. So, why do we need system of classification? Because of the huge diversity in living beings, it becomes difficult task to study each of them. To make it easier, living beings were categorized into groups and subgroups. Thus, the system of classification is needed. For this, we get 5 kingdoms classification by Whittaker. Look at this picture now. So, first of all, we'll start with the kingdom Monera. These do not have a defined nucleus or organelles and are unicellular. Cell walls are present in some organisms and its nutrition mode is basically autotrophic or heterotrophic. For example, bacteria and blue-green algae. Now we will discuss about kingdom Protista. They are eukaryotic, unicellular and mostly aquatic, while some have cilia or flagella which help them in moving, and the mode of nutrition may be autotrophic or heterotrophic, and examples are algae and protozoans. Our next kingdom is kingdom Fungi. They are eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular organisms. They do not have chlorophyll, so cannot prepare their own food, and they are also called as heterotrophs. They use decaying organic matter as food and so are called saprophytes. Some of them live in association with algae and they are called as lichens. Its examples are yeast and mushrooms. Our next kingdom is kingdom Plantae. They are multicellular eukaryotes having cell walls. They use chlorophyll for photosynthesis. All the plants are included in this group. They are divided into 5 groups like Halophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Next we will discuss about kingdom Animalia. They include all organisms which are multicellular eukaryotes without chlorophyll and cell walls. They are heterotrophs and so they are divided into 10 groups, and these are Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Protochordata and Vertebrata. Thanks for watching the video.